Are you a digital marketer struggling to see the desired results? It's easy to get lost in the details and lose sight of the big picture. But fear not, we have identified common mistakes that may hinder your success. Neglecting your website. First and foremost, not paying attention to your website is a costly mistake. Your website is the cornerstone of your digital marketing efforts. It should be user-friendly and aligned with your brand, particularly on mobile devices. Neglecting your website could result in lost potential customers and revenue. Failing to organize your email database. Segment your email database and provide targeted, relevant content to your subscribers. This will keep your email list healthy and prevent emails from being flagged as spam. Not prioritizing social media metrics. Lastly, not focusing on social media metrics can hurt your engagement rate. Fake or untargeted followers are not worth sacrificing quality engagement with your audience. Instead, focus on quality over quantity to build a genuine and engaged following. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to achieving your digital marketing goals.